How to print Instagram photos. If you come across an Instagram photo that you want to save, Instagram does not provide a built-in option to download images directly. However, there is a simple way to do this using a third-party website. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process. First, open Instagram. Log in to your account if needed. Now, find the photo you want to download. Once you have selected the image, click on the Share menu in the bottom right corner of the post. From the menu, select Copy Link. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to a website that allows you to download Instagram photos. One option is Save Insta or similar services. In the search bar on the website, paste the link you copied from Instagram. Then, click the Download button. After processing the link, the website will display the image with a download option. Click the Download button again to save the image to your camera roll. You can now find the downloaded image. Click on it and tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner. From the options, scroll down and select the Print option. Here, you can select the printer, adjust the number of copies you want, and select the paper sizes. After adjusting your settings, click on the Print option at the top right to print your Instagram photo. That's how to print Instagram photos.